Hello everyone, good evening. I am Joanne M. Basarte. Today, I will discuss the importance of understanding the self in my future career as a future agriculturist. As we prepare to embark on a career in agriculture, understanding the self is a fundamental aspect that can significantly impact my journey and achievements in the agricultural field. First is personal growth and development. Self-understanding is the foundation for personal growth. By recognizing your strengths, weaknesses, and values, you can tailor your agricultural pursuits to leverage your strengths and work on areas for improvement, leading to continuous personal development. Second is informed decision making. Self-awareness empowers you to make informed decisions. Understanding your motivations, goals, and values allows you to make strategic choices that align with your aspirations, resulting in more purposeful and effective decision making in your agricultural career. Effective communication and collaboration. Self-aware individuals excel in communication by understanding your communication style, preferences, and how you interact with others. You can build strong relationships with colleagues, clients, and stakeholders in the agricultural industry, fostering collaboration and mutual understanding.